The perfect nail technician is somebody who would be very artistic, very into communicating with individuals, building relationships, being able to take an individual's self-confidence and enhance it through creating beautiful nails on them. Hi, I'm Kathi. I'm the founder of Nail Basics. I've been in the industry since 1975. It's all I've ever done. It's my passion, it's my heart and my soul. The greatest pleasure that this industry brings me is being able to share my artistic abilities and build the relationships that have lasted a lifetime. I've been able to, with the help of my wonderful husband, grow my business into a school where I have 26 educators throughout Alberta, Saskatchewan, and BC. What I have in front of me is called a P3 kit. This is something we offer to you as an individual that may be thinking about getting into the nail industry. It is $150 and it comes with 2 hours of one-on-one education with one of our education leaders that you'll find in your area, whether it be in BC, Saskatchewan, or Alberta. And so we get to take everything apart here and play with it, getting the feel of what it might be like to be a nail technician. And it comes with an online support video as well as your educator. Now that you've experienced what it feels like, you've got an idea of what this industry can offer you, the next step you need to take is registering for a professional nail technician program. That's as easy as contacting us at nailbasics.ca. I want to invite you into this wonderful artistic career that I've chosen for myself. It's been an amazing adventure, and I know you're really going to enjoy your choice. We look forward to working with you in the very near future.